Today I'm showing you how to make this Tuscan bean soup in a soup maker. I've made it in a Ninja soup maker, but it can be made in any model. All the exact measurements can be found in the description down below. I've used onions and garlic. The vegetables I've used are carrots and celery. Then I've used some dried mixed herbs. And then some kale. You could use spinach instead if you don't have any kale. Then a tin of chopped tomatoes. You can use any brand. And then some cannellini beans. Then some vegetable stock, so I've used this stock powder, but you could use a stock cube or a stock pot. So start by adding the chopped up onion to the soup maker. You could get the soup maker to chop it up for you. I'm actually using frozen chopped onions here. And then I'm also using frozen chopped garlic. Again, you can just use fresh cloves and peel them and crush them into the soup maker, or you can get the soup maker to chop them up for you. Add the chopped up carrots, add the celery, then I have drained and rinsed the beans, then add in the dried mixed herbs. You don't have to do that in this exact order. To add in the chopped tin tomatoes, let's make sure you scrape everything out. Now I'm adding in the vegetable stock powder, so I'm just adding roughly a tablespoon, a bit of a heaped tablespoon. Obviously if you're using a stock pot or a cube, you can just add that directly into the soup maker too. And then I'm adding in the kale, trying to get it into the jug without spilling it all out. So I like to use hot water straight from the kettle. I know some people just use cold water, just use whatever your preference is. So put the lid back onto the soup maker, twist it around into place, and then switch it on, and I'm doing this on the chunky soup setting. You could use the smooth soup setting if you prefer. And then leave that to run for 30 minutes. I hope you're enjoying this soup maker recipe. It would really mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel. If you want to print out this recipe, you can head over to my blog Liana's Kitchen, where you can see the full recipe with photographs of it being made. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the recipe card, and you can either follow it from the screen, or you can click on the print recipe and print the recipe out and save it for later. So at the end of the 30 minutes, let's remove the lid. Remember, it's going to be a little bit hot, so be careful of the steam coming out. And then we'll just do a little check on the consistency and taste it, see if it needs any extra seasoning. If you want to, you could just put the lid back on and do a quick short blend if you want to change the consistency a little bit, but I like mine like this for this soup. So I'm just going to pour this out into a bowl, and then probably just add a little bit of pepper and maybe some Parmesan cheese and some croutons. It's a really simple soup maker recipe. It's really filling. Beans are really great for protein. Obviously the other vegetables are good for you too. I hope you've enjoyed this soup maker recipe. If you want more, do check out the other videos on my channel, or you can head over to Liana's Kitchen, where there's probably about 100 soup maker recipes now, or I do have some soup maker recipe books, details of which can be found on my website or in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.